Hello everyone, welcome to the Kapil Classes for English. Let's start the class. And today class is I wish. I wish means when you are talking about future, present and past. So this expression can be used in future, in present, in past also. If you are using this expression in future, it means it shows the wish. For example, if I am saying I wish in coming time I will have this, I will be a teacher, I will be a rich man. So you can say I wish. That is called future. Future, if this structure is being used in future, it shows wish. And in present, if we are using this structure in present, so in present it doesn't tell the wish. It means if you do not have anything, if you are saying I wish I have a bike, I have a car, it means you do not have bike, you do not have car. So here it is not telling the wish. In present it tells the regret. In present it regret, and in past it is also regret. So let's have a look how we use these expression in language. The first expression is for future. If you are saying you will have something in coming time, so you can say I wish. Usually you will say I will have a bike, but it's wrong expression. Don't say I wish I will have a bike. In place of will, you are supposed to use I wish I would. I wish I would have a bike. It means you wish to have a bike in coming time. You can say I wish I would have a bike. You can say I wish I would be a rich man. It means you are planning, you wish to, like in coming time you would be a rich man. So in future this is your wish to get these things or to be whatever you want to be. You can say I wish to be a rich man. I wish I would be a rich man. It means in future you are using this expression, so you have to cut will, and in place of will you have to use would. Let's have a look in present. If you are using this expression in present like this, so you have to use, usually we say I wish. If I am saying I wish I have a bike, so have means if you have, actually you have, you can say I wish I have a bike. But if you are wishing, it means no bike. It means you don't have bike. So you cannot say I wish I have a bike because you do not have a bike. That's why you are wishing. So in present, if you are saying I wish I have a bike, it's a wrong expression because you do not have a bike. That's why you are saying I wish I have a bike. Otherwise you will not say that expression. So you have to say I wish I had a bike. It means you don't have a bike. You don't have a bike. Usually like I wish I am a rich man. I wish I am a rich man. But you are not. The sentence is telling it means you are not a rich man. That's why you are saying I wish I am a rich man. So here you don't use I am. In place of am you are to use was, because the past expression of am is was. But in this structure usually we use I and singular was, and for plural we use were. But in this expression you are not supposed to use was with singular or I. You have to use were. Like I wish he is my friend. I wish he was. I wish he was my friend. It's a wrong expression. Don't say was, say were. I wish he were my friend. And if we are using this expression in past, so you have to use would have and could have. For example, I wish India would have won the World Cup. I wish, because India lost the World Cup, So you can say I wish India would have won the World Cup. It means you are regretting here. You regret that India did not win the World Cup. So you can say I wish India would have won the World Cup. I wish I would have helped you. I would have helped you. It means you could not help him. You could not help me. That's why you are saying I wish I would have helped you. So this expression is used in past. I wish, like if you are saying capacity, you can say could here. Like I wish I could have helped you. You can use like that. So these are the expressions which you can use in present, past and future also. In future we have to use would, in present we have to use second form, and in past we have to use could have and would have. So these are expressions which you are supposed to use, and if you have any question, query, kindly write in the comment box. Kindly subscribe the channel, like and share also. Thank you very much. God bless you. Take care and bye bye.